My name is Russell Miller. I'm an electrician in Dunedin and I got solar installed about 2 years ago. The installation process was seamless. James and the team communicated very well with us right from the beginning through to the end, and we were very happy with the work all the way through. The Tesla Powerwall, I think, is the key to the success of the solar install, because it's given us freedom to use the power when we need it and to maximize the 3 hours of free power between 9 and midnight. Our electricity bill used to be about the $200 a month. We're now down to either negative 20 or 30, or the worst bill we've had in June is only $60. So the savings have been substantial. So it's just given us the freedom not to stress about using power and to live a good lifestyle with that.